Tourist attractions. There are many amazing places to go on vacation around the world. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is famous for its colorful coral reef, which looks as if a box of 120 crayons exploded. You can even go snorkeling, explore the rainforest, or visit a wildlife park. Another great vacation spot is Orlando, Florida, the home of Disney World. Here, you can visit the many amusement parks or watch dolphins perform at SeaWorld. You can also visit Universal Orlando and take in the Shrek 4D film experience. For a change of pace and scenery, you can visit London, England. The Tower of London is the most popular spot for tourists. It has been a fortress, a palace, and a prison. Now it provides entertainment. You can even ice skate inside it. If you think erupting volcanoes and spewing hot lava sounds interesting, then you should visit Costa Rica. Howler monkeys leap and yell from the treetops, and toucans can be found perched nearby. There are so many amazing places to go on vacation around the world. Where will you go next? Use a red crayon to underline the main idea. Use a blue crayon to underline the supporting details. Complete the web below by adding the main idea and at least 3 supporting details.